Chances are, if you have been using sermon audio for any length of time, you have heard a sermon that you wanted to share with someone else. We have several tools to help you do this. From any sermon page on the site, clicking on the Email and Share button, located here, makes several options for sharing a sermon available to you instantly. To send an email invitation to listen to a sermon, click here. Then fill in the details on the form and click the Send Email button at the bottom. The To Email field is where you specify the email of the person that you want to send the sermon to. Be sure to also specify your name and an email address that you wish to designate as the From address. You can include a personal message if you would like, but it is not required. The number here is just a way for us to avoid automated submissions using this form. You will have to enter the number you see in order for the email to be sent. This email functionality is very useful when you do not have access to your email account or simply want to send a quick email without opening your email program. The email address you enter in either the From or To fields is not saved in our system or shared with others, and you will not be added to any email list by using this feature. If you prefer to use your own email client or are using an instant messaging software and just want a quick link to send someone, you can very easily do so by clicking the box here. This will highlight the text, making it easy to right-click, that is a click with the right-hand mouse button, and copy the link. Once copied to the clipboard in this way, you can then go to your email or instant message and paste the link. You will also notice in this section several icons that represent various social networking sites. Clicking on them will post the sermon to your account or profile, but you must already have an account set up with them to do this. In an effort to provide a service to those that use these sites, we have provided these tools to help simplify the posting process. But Sermon Audio does not necessarily endorse external websites of any kind. Christians should especially exercise caution and discernment when dealing with social networks on the web. If you have your own blog or website and want this sermon to appear on it, clicking here will allow you to cut and paste code for a Flash sermon player onto your page. This will allow your visitors to play the sermon directly from your blog or web page in an attractive and easy-to-use player without having to leave your page to go to the Sermon Audio site. Clicking on the info link here will take you to a page where you can read more about the Flash Player. There are a lot of tools like the Flash Player available to you if you have a website of your own and want to share sermons from Sermon Audio. We have made it very easy to display the content from Sermon Audio on other pages. You can see a listing of them by clicking here on the More link and going to our HTML codes page. Now that you know how easy it is to share sermons from Sermon Audio, what are you waiting for? It is as simple as cut and paste.